Hi there. This video will give you a presentation and overview of our new product, Pro Blubs, designed specifically for speech therapists. Pro Blubs is a powerful tool that allows you to be with your students even when you aren't physically around. In a nutshell, it lets a therapist prescribe homework activities digitally and remotely, and even track patients' home practice time. Signing in with your Pro Blubs account. Signing into Pro Blubs is easy. Just use your email address and your password. Everything you do in Pro Blubs is secure, and only you can access your students' personal information. Your students. The first thing you'll see is a list of your students. At the beginning, it's empty, but it's easy to fill it up. Just click this button and fill in the information. Enter their name, gender, and perhaps some comments and diagnoses if you wish. What's important is that you enter the email address of your student or their parent as appropriate. The system will send your students an invite with instructions on how to access homework within their Speech Blubs app. Activities. Here's a library of activities. It's already filled with content from our Speech Blubs app. You can search and assign any of the activities to individual students. We're adding new content every week, so expect this library to grow. Assigning your student activities. To assign homework, simply choose a student, browse or search the library, assign an individual activity. Your student will immediately see the assigned activity inside their Speech Blubs app. Can't find the activity you're looking for in our library? Just create your own custom activity. Use your camera app to make a video, save it to your device, and then upload it to our library. You can take photos and videos of your student's environment, or you can create a video of social interactions, and students can model these on their own. It's also possible to digitize your existing materials. Simply use a scanner or upload a PDF. It's important to add a title and instructions for parents. It's also important to tag new activities according to purpose so you can find them and use them later. Every activity you add will be stored in your Pro Blubs library, so you can assign them to any of your future students. By now, you might be wondering what your students' experience will be like, so let's go through the process. First off, parents receive an invite as soon as you add their email address. They download the app, and then they click on a link in that invite email. Bam, they're connected. Your student will see a big button labeled Homework. After tapping that button, your student will discover the pictures, videos, and interactive activities that you have assigned to them. And they can also use the built-in mirror.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Pro Blubs gives you the tools to drastically improve your students' homework experience by creating and assigning homework. Kids love digitalized activities, and this is the best way to reach them. We have one more awesome thing to show you. Now you can tell which students are really trying hard. Pro Blubs will track whenever a student accesses homework and how long they spend on it. Gray means no practice. Yellow means they practiced a bit, and green means that they reached the daily goal. You can set the time goal for each student individually. We'd really love to get your feedback on all of this. Please send us an email at hi@blubblub.org and tell us what you think. Bye now.
Pro Blubs is awesome.